Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Coach Edie to show you today, and it's in this lovely kind of dark burgundy colour. We've got attached to the straps this Coach removable little tag here, and then we also have that Coach dog tag attached to those double top handles too. Along the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and then the main bag has a press stud fastened opening, and then we've got 3 sections. So we've got this central zipped section here, and that has a double zip pull on it, so you can see those 2 zip pulls there, and then we've got 2 other main compartments to the bag. One has the Coach leather badge in it just here, and a zipped pocket. I'll just show you inside that zipped pocket there, and then on the opposite side we have got one flat pocket in that other compartment. So the condition of this Coach Edie, we've called it good all around. There's a little bit of wear, so there's a little mark just on the back here. But for the most part, the reason why we've called it good, there is another little mark just here, and a very, very small little mark on the leather, so just there. So the reason we've called it good is you can just tell that it's had a life before, that it has been used, and it's not brand new. The interior is a similar condition. There's no particular signs of wear or marks for me to show you in there. I think there's just one small little mark on the fabric lining, and I'll just get that so you can see it. So just here in one of those main compartments, you can see a little mark on the fabric there, but other than that, that interior is in a very nice condition. And then the hardware, you can see on these base studs right in those centres, that dark silver tone is starting to wear and fade, and there's some scratching on there, but other than that, that hardware is in a really nice condition, other than perhaps a few hairline scratches, in a very nice condition. So that is why we have called this bag good all around. So it is a gorgeous bag in a gorgeous condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Coach care instructions, and then we've got a Coach card sleeve, and that has the original receipt in it. So if you'd like to know the exact measurements for this Edie, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if this is the kind of bag you're looking out for, let us know and we can get you on our request list. It's really easy to do that. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know how much you love this, or whatever it is you have in mind. That could be Gucci, it could be Mulberry, it could be Chanel, whatever it is, just let us know and we'll get you on that list, and then you can get in there nice and quickly as soon as we've got in something that you like. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements are on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So with those double top handles, I can just slip it really nice and easily onto my shoulder like that. And I think the Edie is one of my favourite Coach designs, because it's just so comfortable. Those leather straps are nice and slim, so they sit really nice and comfortably on your shoulder like that, and it's a lovely flexible leather too, so it just sits really comfortably under your arm, and it's a gorgeous everyday bag with a really nice organisation as well, with those 3 compartments, and I especially like that zipped central section to keep things a little bit more secure in there. So if you are looking for a gorgeous everyday bag like this one, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and also have a look at the how to sell with us page. So if you're interested in selling any of your bags, you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with Armcandy Bag Co on there, so have a read through that. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you guys to miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you, and we've got more to show you every day, so hit that alert button and then you don't miss out on any, and we'll be back very soon with some more.